because you guys requested it. Now we're doing it. This is the Axis side by sides. These are sold at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so you guys got the Axis 750 and the Axis 700, or yeah, 500, my bad. So yeah, $14,999 for the 750 and $9,999 for the 500. You got the payments right there. So it's 223 payments on a credit card, 84 fixed monthly payments, 799 or 7.99%. And then you got on the 500, you got $156 a month, 84 monthly payments. So yeah, the ones that I have here, they don't have the crew. They just have the two-seater. So you got a 2-year limited warranty. You got 171cc 4-stroke single cylinder, electronic fuel ignition, 2-wheel 4-wheel drive, liquid cooling, automatic transmission, 118 by 57 by 72 in height, 1,200 tow rating. It does have a 3,500 pounds winch, high and low gears. It says high and low beam, headlights, cargo dump bed, 4-wheel disc brakes, 2-piece windshield, independent suspension, 4-wheel drive, 2-year warranty, dual arm suspension, fully accessory. Yeah, guys. So these are they will send you like parts if something breaks or something like that. That's one thing that. Yeah, so if something breaks, they will send you the parts and stuff like that. So I believe you do have to call them and maybe send them pictures. I don't know exactly how they work. They do have service centers, so just keep that in mind. They do have service centers, but Lowe's does not service them. So you just have to take them to a service. You have to find a service center near you. The latches on the doors, the ones that I was showing you there, they're hard to get, according to some reviews that I saw. They're hard to get with the gloves. That is the gauge compartment. You got the horn there and the 4x4 selector to the right, the red button there. You got the nice steering wheel. You got some seats with some drains, so just in case you guys leave it out in the rain or something, it's not gonna be a puddle in the. And those are the side protectors, or those tubes. They said that it's kind of annoying, like to get into there, and it gets in the way, basically uncomfortable. I guess it's a safety issue that they have. And this is the dump bed. That's the lever right there you use to release the bed. So that's pretty nice. You got the rear suspension there, and that's the way it does come with the liner, or a rubber mat. It's actually pretty nice. It's just like a regular bed, a regular size bed, but smaller, but just about the same. And then you got the side doors. This is the driver's side. Like I said, those latches are not the best ones, because if you guys have working gloves, it's hard to open those doors, according to what some of the other reviews said. And then you got the latches, the rubber latches for the hood. It does come with the winch. It's a EWP 3500. It's a it looks pretty nice. I mean, it's good size for this type of vehicle. You got the headlights, turn signals, and then you got the hood release on the other side, and that's the way it looks under the hood. I apologize, it's got different angle there. You got the nice suspension. You got a radiator, a fan, so it is air cooled, and maybe that's a filter. I don't know exactly what that is. So and guys, if you guys have these, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys got these, if you guys got any, like, if there's anything wrong with these, if you don't like something, if you do like something, what modifications did you do to it? What was the result? So, and there's the driver's side seat. The engine is relocated under the middle console, just to let you guys know. And like I said, they only had the 2-seater here. That you can buy some like jump seats on Amazon for like $100. You can place them back there, and you can carry 4 people. So it just depends on what you want to do with this. But yeah, paying the extra amount, I think it's a little bit too much, especially if you're just gonna be. Those are the size of the tires: 26 by 11 by 14, NHS. So you got some nice off-road beefy tires there, and you can see the exhaust there from the engine. And like I said, the motor is located here, and it looks like the engine breathes through here, through those vents. I don't know exactly if that looks like it, but I don't know. You got some cup holders there. You got a nice storage compartment. You got a nice e-brake there, and then you got the gears there. And then you got a place to put a stereo, or you can put some just regular stuff there. You got the headrest, the seat belts, and you got the roof there. So this one does come with the roof, not like other brands. Same thing with the windshield. It does come with the windshield, or a plastic windshield by the way. It's not. And that's the way it looks. Just a quick overview of these Axis side by sides. If you guys got any questions or anything, if you want me to swing by again, make another video or anything, or of something else, let me know down in the comment section. And if you also have these, let us know how you like them. If you don't like them, if something broke, if they're just crap. I did hear that you do have to look at make an inspection, basically, because these are made by or assembled globes, basically, and you do have to get it basically go over all the nuts and bolts and make sure everything's tightened. I heard a lot of negative reviews about that. That you do have to look, because over time they'll become loose and something you have issues. So make sure you guys, if you guys are handy with the wrench or with the ratchet, make sure you guys go over all the suspension compartments. Take a little jack and just take an hour there, and make sure you go over all the ones that you see, and make sure they're nice and tightened, especially those suspension parts. Those are very important, because if something goes loose, a lot of things could happen with that. So guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.